Now, this country, even the strong, no, they survive again. Kai! Hungry, you won't buy me like this. It's here I go do now. And to enter street as usual, man must survive. Make I even observe self. But this time around, I need to change my strategy. Now to define all those sugar mommy, whether they go pay now.
This man!
Yeah, this one go work. This one play who go get money. I go try him. This one green now. At least. Hey, make I just post for that motor like say me get her. I go strike her.
Hello, beautiful. How are you? Wow, sorry to bother you.
No problem.
But if I may ask, what is a beautiful lady doing in this kind of environment, this kind of estate? This is local, you know. This is one of my car actually, and there are more of them, you know. So that's to tell you that the kind of man you're standing with, you know, capable of, you know, taking care of you and everything.
It is smoky, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
So what's your name?
I'm Rola by name.
Wow.
Yes.
So if you don't mind, can I have your contact so that we can relate, you know?
Not bad.
Okay.
090
090
681
681 40
65.
65. All right. Thank you for your time. Okay. I'm going to give you.
Alright, I'll be expecting. Hi.
Oh, this food is really tasty. I'm enjoying it.
You enjoy it, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Good. This is where I always come to chill.
Okay.
So,
Sure, you enjoy your food, Abby?
yeah. Well done. The food is delicious.
I just wish say I fit pick like 6.5 billion zillion Kuwait buy for country. I will give one to my mama and my girlfriend is doing well. I will give her one.
Kai, you better get new opening for you. I'm you know in my pockets. Which I go do? I go run now.
Really want to finish it. Yeah, welcome, my brother. Welcome.
Wow.
Join us, oh.
Yeah. My dear, how are you?
Okay, you're welcome. What will go serve you?
Let me know what to eat. Do you have basmati rice and roasted snail?
Okay, we'll not care.
Look at my face.
What about toasted beans? But what do you sell? What do you then sell here?
Our vegetable soup today fire, I never done. But we get white rice and stew.
This place is just too local. White rice and stew.
Okay, no
So
local.
which protein do you have?
We have only egg.
Give me only egg.
Rice and stew and egg.
You don't have snail. You don't have roasted chicken.
You don't get it. Don't finish.
What can I do now? Maybe let me manage it. Rice and stew. This is just too local.
Okay. Your food is ready.
Wow. This food is quite small. Oh. What is happening?
Okay, I 1,500 naira to be that.
What?
Food items come from market.
1,500 for this thing?
Yes, sir.
It's okay. It's cheap anyway, but it's kind of just manage it. Maybe later I'll just look for somewhere nice to go and You guys are trying actually, and I'll give it to you. But it's okay. Just want to manage it. Later on, I'll just go and order some food.
Okay, take it easy, make it no shock you.
I'm good. How much is it?
Okay. Okay, the food now 1,500 naira, the water na 200, everything na 700, 1,700 naira.
Wow. That's more money actually. Let me just pay you on. I know this country is quite difficult now. What's happening here?
Madam, give me one more water.
One more water. Okay.
So now you started selling pure water.
Excuse me.
It's fine.
Please, did you see my wallet?
What kind of question is that? How will you ask my woman if to see your wallet? I don't understand.
Because I can't find my wallet now.
So did we come here together? Did we plan with your wallet to come here?
Okay, if you don't carry money, come. We'll get POS. If you use POS.
That is what I'm talking about now. My ATM card, some foreign currency I have, and some of my, I can't find them. I can't find my wallet. They are all in my wallet.
Okay. If you know say I don't carry money, come this place. If you don't come this place, come chop food. You want me, my mother sack me? You want me, my mother sack me?
You also
pay me my money.
I'm talking. Do you know how much I have in that wallet?
Pay me my money.
Do you know the document I have in that wallet?
What's going on? What's the noise out there? Ekaite, what's the noise there? What's happening there?
Madam, what's going on? This okay. If you come here, you eat food 1,500 naira. You drink water 200 naira. Everything now 1,700 naira. I couldn't make you pay me money. You say you forget him phone. He's having motor. You know, prepay money.
Hello, young man. Good afternoon.
Yeah. How are you?
Were you not the young man I met not very long?
Oh, I met you, right? Oh, yeah. Ugura, right? Oh, you own this place.
Yeah, what's going
Wow,
on?
thank you. Can you imagine how she's embarrassing me because of 1,005? Do you know you have to sack her? She don't have house. She don't know how to talk to customers at all. After eating, I can't find her. Well, I'm trying to explain to her that I misplaced. I don't know where I left. Probably I must have. I don't know how. But I know that I came to this place without wallet. I believe maybe so those guys must have made away with my wallet. And she's just insulting me for how much? Do you know how much I have in that wallet?
Mama, let's go. These people, that is how they used to do in Lagos. You see them, they will not have money. They will just come to restaurant and eat and form they have lost their wallet. Instead of me to admit, I will pay for him and will leave this place. Why will he be lying? I will be lying.
I beg, no lie down. That's me you talk just now, you mean that?
Waiting at all.
You say you go pay now.
I go pay for waiting.
You think say they wise?
You say, bro, I no go lie. She buy no deal.
Oh, Chimba no day. What about the wallet?
No money, no.
Money no day.
That one and this thing.
My friend, get out of this place. Go and find a way to settle your bill.
Now.
Why wouldn't you have said it at the first time that you did not came with the wallet? My friend, get out of this place. I don't want to hear you say that. Madam, come and get your money from him because I don't understand what this guy is.
What are you be talking about? Who is begging you for money? Do you know who I am?
I don't understand.
Different cars.
Of course I am. That is.
You can pay my money. Collect his phone.
Make sure you take your money. What kind of embarrassment is this?
You think I'm going to have money? You keep floating that you have different cars. You came to my restaurant, you can't even pay for the food you ate.